ice cream with fruit watermelon ice cream. Let's try. Now I want to open this. Oh. Now I want to open this one. One, two, three. Oh my guys, it's four, five, six, seven, eight. Come on. 9. Come on. 10. Come on, come on. 11. 12. 13.
Okay, done?
No.
It's full?
Yeah, it's one again. Okay, it's full now. And now closing. Oh my goodness, it's targeted side. One is bigger. Let's go check. It's done? Oh no. Ow, my ears. Now it's full now. Now it's done. Now I want cracking with this. Okay. This 3 on number.
1,
One. I will scale this down.
2,
2. Let's have sound. 3. 4. It's done yet. Now next. It's so funny. 1 and 2. Oh yes, it's so much. 2,
2,
3,
3, 4.
4. It's done.
Now number 3.
Yeah.
1,
This have 2,
2,
3. One less, I think. 4.
Okay, let's pull this once again.
What? Oh, yeah. Oh my god. 5.
And the number 2 and 1 give once again.
Yeah. Okay. This again.
Number 2, number 1,
Number 1. Oh my god.
once again.
This again.
Yeah.
Now
Now.
I want cracking chocolate chip. 2. Cracking here. Oh yes, it's so small. My favorite is
1, 2.
2. Oh my yes. Oh my yes. I want eating this. It's my favorite. 1,
2,
2. Small. 1, 2.
2.
Oh my yes.
This watermelon ice cream done.
Yeah, it's done. Now
Now
sing.
close. Whoa, it's delicious.
Yeah. Come on. Dear. My my favorite.
Oh my god, you tried it.
Yeah, it's my favorite. Again. Now. And now I want making dragon fruit ice cream. Let's go. Now I want to open this. Again. It's really louder again. My ears. Oh, my ears. Come in here. Oh my gosh, it's my favorite. But it's not water. It's I have water. It's stuck. It's broken. 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 It's so hard. Come on. Oh my gosh, it's wrong. They're wrong. Yummy. Yay. Hey. Hey, you. What? Casey, get.
Oops.
Oops. Sorry. It's so hard. Oh my god. It's done again. No. Oh my god, it's broken. It's not worry. I want to try this. Maybe it's pear again. Come on. It's water. Yum. I want eating this. Oh my god. No. Now I want clucking it so much. Okay, ready, set, go. Now let's go. Blocking it. What? It's done. Oh my god. Yummy. What? Yum. Now I want clutching and the ice cream again.
One,
I know like it pear. It's so yucky.
two,
Five like a pie.
three, four,
Five.
five.
It's done?
It's done. And number two.
Yeah, I'm doing number two. It's so much. Too much.
One,
And two. Oh my god, this have power. Okay.
three,
Three.
four,
Four.
and
And
five.
five. This might be good. Oh my gosh.
Now number three.
Yeah.
One,
Three.
two,
Two. Three. Oh yeah. Come again.
four,
Four. And
five.
oh yeah. Five.
Now it's full.
Yeah, it's full. Now chocolate chip. Come here. Come here. You. It's so funny. Oh yes. Yum. Let's eating. Eating again.
Two done. And number two.
Another two. Oh my god. Yummy. swallow much. Not worry. Yes. And one last.
Now it's done.
Now it's done. Closing.
1,
1,
2, and
and 3.
3. The ice cream is done.
Yeah, it's done. Yummy. Again.
Oh, you eat this?
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Mmm.
Yummy. Now I am one clogging on the freezer.
And waiting this for a long time.
Yeah, and I not walk eating so like ice. Now I want waiting this. See you. Bye. Mwah. Now my ice cream is done. Let's try.
It's dragon fruit ice cream.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Now you try watermelon ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh, there.
Oh my gosh, it's my favorite.
You like it?
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Watermelon ice cream?
Yeah, my favorite. Thank you. Don't forget subscribe, like, and